A plea this evening for more Jamaicans to adopt children. One state agency says even those Jamaicans who are willing to adopt are taking a wait-and-see approach due to the pandemic, as they are afraid of bringing new people into their homes. More in this report from Dwayne Anderson.
It is often said that COVID-19 has impacted every walk of life, and with each passing week, credence is added to that view, as groups continue to outline their trials. The Child Protection and Family Services Agency, CPFSA, is speaking out. They say people do not want to adopt children in this environment.
There is a lot of skepticism at this time to take a child in the home, because really in the middle of a pandemic where, your people don't really want anybody in their personal space. So we have that challenge, and so it's difficult. But I do think that at this time, more than any, our children need to be in a home, because you would understand the whole psychological trauma of not being in a physical school. The children have to be doing schools locked away in the houses and stuff. So we are really seeing that it is affecting our children, and so we would rather for them to be placed in a home.
As part of Foster Care Week, CPFSA's teams have been across several parishes trying to reach out to Jamaicans to tell them about the work of the agency. And on Friday, they were in Maple, Clarendon. The CPFSA says close to 5,000 children are in state care, but would prefer a home.
We have what we call our kingship foster care, and our kingship foster care is one in which we ask family members to come on board and take care of children, family members. So we find that more persons are gravitating towards our kingship foster care, and so we are seeing the numbers increasing, but not substantial enough. We will still be asking Jamaicans to foster some more children.
People between the ages 25 and 65 are being urged to contact the CPFSA if they are interested in becoming a foster parent. The CPFSA says many of the children in state care are well behaved and intelligent and only ended up in government facilities due to various issues that impacted their parents. Dwayne Anderson, TVJ News.